Hi friends, in this video I will explain the keyboard shortcut keys for the Excel sheet. To open a new file, we have to press Ctrl plus N, and to open a already saved file, we have to press Ctrl O. To save a file, we have to give the command Ctrl S. To undo previous action, we have to press Ctrl Z. To redo, we have to press Ctrl Y. To select all the content, all the cells, we have to press Ctrl A. Duplicate the previous cell, we have to press Ctrl D. For go to command, we have to give Ctrl G. To find and replace, we have to press Ctrl H. For justification, we have to give the command Ctrl J. To go to next cell, we have to press Tab button. To go to before cell, we have to give the command Shift plus Tab. To close the window, we have to give the command Alt F4. To make the text bold, we have to give the command Ctrl plus B. To make underline, Ctrl plus U. To make the text into italic format, we have to give the Ctrl plus I. Now, to select the entire row, we have to give the command Shift plus space. To select the entire column, Ctrl plus space bar. To go to first cell in the sheet, Ctrl plus Home. To go to last cell in the sheet, Ctrl plus End. To move the cursor upside, we have to press Page Up, and to move the cursor downside, we have to press the Page Down. For changing font, Ctrl plus Shift plus F. To wrap the text into the small cell, we have to press Alt Enter. In any cell, if we want to make any formula, we have to start with equal sign. Then it will change into formula. To make a print, we have to press Ctrl P. To insert a hyperlink in any cell, we have to give command Ctrl K. To align text left, we have to give Ctrl M. To cut the text, then we have to give Ctrl X command. For paste, Ctrl V command. To copy the text, Ctrl plus C. And to close the window, Ctrl plus W. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.